Firozpur Cantt, a name that resonates with history, a place where the past whispers through the wind. This cantonment town, with its rich tapestry of stories, stands as a silent witness to the passage of time. The wind carries tales of valor and sacrifice, of empires that rose and fell, and of the countless souls who walked these grounds. Located in the heart of Punjab, India, Firozpur Cantt is more than just a geographical location. It is a living, breathing entity that has evolved over centuries. It stands as a testament to centuries of change, adapting and growing while preserving its historical essence. The old buildings with their intricate designs tell stories of a bygone era, while the newer structures symbolize progress and modernity. As a silent guardian on the nation's western frontier, Firozpur Cantt has always held a strategic importance. Its guard towers and military statues are not just symbols of defense, but also of the resilience and strength of its people. The military presence here is undeniable, with soldiers in action, always ready to protect and serve. Their dedication and commitment are a source of pride for the entire nation. The story of Firozpur Cantt is deeply entwined with the ebb and flow of empires. From the Mughals to the British, each era has left its mark, shaping the town into what it is today. This is a place where the echoes of marching boots mingle with the laughter of children, where the weight of history rests lightly on the shoulders of its resilient people. The juxtaposition of military discipline and civilian life creates a unique harmony. The people of Firozpur Cantt are its true strength. Their resilience, warmth, and sense of community are what make this place special. Community gatherings, festivals, and daily interactions weave a rich tapestry of life here. Firozpur Cantt is more than just a military outpost. It is a vibrant community where traditions and modernity coexist. The military facilities, while impressive, are just one aspect of this multifaceted town. It is a vibrant tapestry of cultures, a melting pot of traditions. The cultural festivals here are a testament to the town's diversity and unity. People from different backgrounds come together to celebrate, creating a sense of belonging and togetherness. The traditional attire, the local customs, and the age-old practices are all preserved with pride. They serve as a reminder of the town's rich heritage and the enduring spirit of its people. Celebrations and national events are marked with great enthusiasm. The people of Firozpur Cantt take immense pride in their identity and heritage, showcasing it through various events and festivities, from the bustling marketplaces to the serene parks. Every corner of Firozpur Cantt tells a story. The markets are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, while the parks offer a peaceful retreat. The historic streets, with their detailed architecture, are a visual treat. Each building, each street corner has a story to tell, a piece of history to share. Every brick whispers of the past, of the hands that built them and the lives that were lived within these walls. The historic buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. It is a place where the old and the new coexist in perfect harmony, where the past and the present blend seamlessly. The modern buildings alongside the old structures create a unique skyline that tells the story of Firozpur Cantt's evolution. Here, the spirit of India shines through in all its glory. The iconic landmarks and national symbols are a source of pride, reflecting the town's rich history and its promising future. The story of Firozpur Cantt begins long before the arrival of the British, in the annals of the Delhi Sultanate. This region, steeped in history, has witnessed the rise and fall of many empires. It was Firoz Shah Tughlaq, the visionary Sultan of Delhi, who left an indelible mark on this land. In the 14th century, he recognized the strategic importance of this land, nestled between the rivers Sutlej and Yamuna. He established Firozpur, a city named in his honor, as a bustling trading hub. The city quickly became a center of commerce and culture. The city thrived under his patronage, its bazaars overflowing with goods from distant lands. Merchants from across the world came to trade, bringing with them exotic spices, textiles, and artifacts. Today, remnants of Firoz Shah Tughlaq's reign still stand weathered but not forgotten. These ruins tell the story of a city that once stood at the crossroads of history. The ruins of his fort, though ravaged by time, still hint at their former grandeur. The walls, though crumbling, whisper tales of battles fought and won. The intricate carvings on the mosque, though faded, speak volumes of the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Each stone, each carving is a testament to the artisans who once worked tirelessly to create these masterpieces. These architectural marvels serve as a poignant reminder of Firozpur's rich history. They stand as silent sentinels guarding the legacy of Firoz Shah Tughlaq and the vibrant city he once envisioned. The winds of change swept across India in the 19th century, bringing with them the might of the British Empire. The strategic importance of Firozpur did not escape their notice. In 1839, under the watchful eye of Captain H.M. Lawrence, the cantonment was established. It was a strategic move designed to consolidate British control over this vital region. The cantonment, a self-contained garrison town, grew rapidly. Barracks sprang up to house the troops, their red brick facades a stark contrast to the surrounding landscape. The cantonment became a symbol of British power, its presence a constant reminder of their dominion. The year 1947 marked a watershed moment in India's history. The yoke of colonialism was finally lifted, and Firozpur Cantt, along with the rest of the nation, breathed the air of freedom. The cantonment, once a symbol of British might, was now an integral part of independent India's defence apparatus. Today, Firozpur Cantt stands as a testament to India's military prowess. It is home to a large contingent of the Indian Army, its soldiers entrusted with the vital task of guarding the nation's borders. The cantonment is a hive of activity, with soldiers going about their duties with quiet efficiency. Section 5. The rhythms of military life. Life in Firozpur Cantt is inexorably linked to the rhythms of the military. The bugle call, a familiar sound, marks the passage of time. Réveillé at dawn, the last post at dusk. The cantonment is a microcosm of Indian society, with people from all walks of life bound together by their shared military heritage. Generations of soldiers have called Firozpur Cantt home. Their stories, passed down through the years, are woven into the very fabric of the town. The spirit of camaraderie is palpable, a sense of shared purpose that transcends rank and religion. The cantonment is a family, bound together by duty, honour and sacrifice. Section 6. Education, Health and Recreation. Firozpur Cantt is a self-sufficient township catering to the needs of its residents. Educational institutions, ranging from primary schools to colleges, ensure that the children of military personnel receive a quality education. Well-equipped hospitals provide healthcare facilities, ensuring the well-being of the community. Life in this cantonment is not all work and no play. Parks and gardens offer residents a respite from the rigours of military life. The Cantonment Club, a hub of social activity, hosts a variety of events, fostering a sense of community. Section 7. A tapestry of cultures. Firozpur Cantt is a melting pot of cultures, a place where people from different parts of India come together, bringing with them their unique traditions and customs. The vibrant tapestry of Indian culture is on full display, with festivals like Diwali, Holi and Eid celebrated with equal fervour. The cantonment is a testament to India's secular ethos, a place where temples, mosques and gurdwaras stand side by side, their bells and chants mingling in the air, a harmonious symphony of faith. The spirit of tolerance and mutual respect is palpable, a reflection of India's inherent unity and diversity. Section 8. The enduring significance. Firozpur Cantt, with its rich history, strategic importance and vibrant culture, stands as a microcosm of India itself. It is a place where the past and the present converge, creating a unique tapestry of experiences. The bustling streets, filled with the aroma of local cuisine and the vibrant colours of traditional attire, tell stories of a community that thrives on diversity and unity, where the echoes of history mingle with the aspirations of a nation on the move. Its strategic location, nestled near the border, has made it a focal point for defence and diplomacy. The Wagah border ceremony, a daily ritual of patriotism and respect, symbolises the enduring spirit of the people. Its role in India's defence and its unique cultural blend make it a place of enduring significance. A visit to Firozpur Cantt is a journey through time where one can witness the evolution of a nation. The military bases stand as a testament to the bravery and dedication of the soldiers who protect the country, a chance to experience the soul of India. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made by the brave men and women in uniform whose stories of valor and courage are etched in the annals of history. The local festivals, with their music, dance and traditions, offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region, who stand guard day and night, ensuring the safety and security of the nation. Their unwavering commitment and sacrifice are the pillars upon which the nation stands strong. Firozpur Cantt is not just a place. It is a symbol of resilience, pride, and the enduring spirit of India.